Om Sri Sharanavasavaya Namaha. Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you are all well and you are busy in doing your own work, that is the preparation for your forthcoming examinations, that is crash courses for JEE, NEET, KCET, etc. If the three vectors, let me continue today about vectors only, as we have seen in the last class on vectors only. I am continuing it. If the three vectors A, B, C are there and they are acting in a same plane, if the three vectors are acting in a same plane or coplanar, then their scalar triple product is 0. A dot B cross C equal to 0. If the three vectors are coplanar, then their scalar triple product is 0. How do you define the scalar triple product of the three vectors? If A1i, if vector A equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, vector B equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k, and vector C is equal to C1i plus C2j plus C3k, then the scalar triple product of the three vectors is A1, determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. If the three vectors are coplanar, the coplanarity of the three vectors are determined by the scalar triple product of the three vectors A dot B cross C. The scalar triple product of the three vectors is determinant of this. The condition for the vectors, three vectors to be coplanar is that their scalar triple product is 0. A dot B cross C equal to the determinant A1, A2, A3. First row contains the direction ratios of vector A. Second row contains the direction vector of B. And third row contains the direction ratios of vector C. In a scalar triple product, the vectors can be interchanged cyclically. Vectors can be interchanged cyclically. A to B, B to C, C to A. Suppose if I take B dot C cross A is equal to, first you have to write the direction ratios of the vector B, B1, B2, B3 determinant, C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3. And if these are interchanged cyclically, B will take C, C will take A will take B. It is, first C is there, its direction ratios. C1, determinant C1, C2, C3. Determinant A1, determinant C1, C2, C3, first row. Second row A1, because vector A is there, A1, A2, A3. The vector B, B1, B2, B3. Here all are same here. A dot B cross C equal to B dot C cross A equal to C dot A cross B. This is A dot B cross C. This is B dot C cross A. B. Here B is there. In first and second row, here it is interchanged. Next, in place of second row, third row comes here. Once again, second and third rows are interchanged. These here rows are interchanged twice. The one of the properties on determinants, if any two rows or any two columns of a determinant are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Therefore, A dot B cross C equal to B dot C cross A equal to C dot A cross B. In a scalar triple product of the three vectors, the vectors can be interchanged cyclically. Next, let us see cross product of the three vectors. Cross product of the three vectors. It can be, if A, B, C are the three vectors, it can be defined in two ways. The two cross products we have to define. One is A cross B of cross C. Another one is A cross of B cross C. These two are cross product of the three vectors. Cross product of the three vectors. This is A cross B cross C can be defined as A dot A cross B cross C equal to A dot CB, A dot C into vector B minus B dot C into vector A. This can be defined as A cross of B cross C. This is new concept for you, the vector triple product of the three vectors or cross product of the three vectors. You haven't studied in your regular classes. This is the new concept for you. It is supplementary thing which will be asked in JEE. Even CET also. A cross B cross C equal to A dot CB minus B dot CA. A cross of B cross C equal to A dot, the first quantity same in both, A dot CB minus here A dot BC. A dot BC in place of B dot C, A dot B in place of a C. So these two are the vector triple product of the three vectors or cross product of the three vectors A, B, C, which is defined, two are there, which are defined as A cross B of cross C equal to A dot CB minus B dot CA. A cross of B cross C equal to A dot CB minus A dot BC. These two are same here, only these two can be changed. So this is regarding the cross product of the three vectors. Cross product of the three vectors. Once again, cross product of the three vectors is a vector, but dot product of the three vectors is scalar triple product of the three vectors is scalar quantity. Vector product of the three vectors is vector quantity.